is not recommended. Hi, we are going to install AEROKLAS dust seal for a Ford Ranger 2023. This one is a roller something model with this rolling mechanism here. The reason why we're doing this, I'm going to show it to you in a second. Small demonstration. There. Water, moisture just goes inside there, and it goes down under the panels. It can create rust. Nothing good can happen here. So we have now a dust seal kit, which we are going to install on the back of the car. They also provide us with cutting sheets here for different configurations of this car. So ours is this one here, but you also can find other configurations here which you can use. And you have also the seal itself. It's this one here, so it will go like so behind of the truck, and those pieces here is actually mountings for this seal, and are gonna be the difficult part of the job too, because we need to cut away some fabric cover on the car. So basically what we need to do is to cut this piece here. We'll lay on that sheet here, and we will cut away that piece. We'll do the same on the other side, and then this piece will have place to go inside there. So for this model, we will have to cut away also that top of this plastic mount, and we will have to push it in there, and from there we can put on here our seal. It's just on those clicking pins, like so. Can you see them? Okay. And those, they just go into those holes. So now I'm going to cut those two pieces here on the top of this mounting plastic because of our roll cover on the car, on the truck. After some hours of work, we came so far. An opening here, piece here, and opening here, but this one actually didn't have to go that deep, so we will try to make it less awful. And this side too. So I don't have a white marker, I just did it with with a pen. According to this example, there is an opening here. Can you see it? Okay. Here, a piece like this, like so. This side here. Is it all? Must be cut away. This one must go. This piece here must be removed also because it will be in the way when you want to place your plastic mount for that seal. We need to cut this side here like that. Why we need to cut it like so? Because we first tried to leave it like this, but it was not beautiful, it was awful to see. So piece by piece we just came here, and this is kind of same. After that we will put here some seals too to cover this mess, and it should be fine. This one I need to correct here, and yes, this side is actually okay. Now I have to do the same thing on the other side. So now I can see what I'm gonna do from this side here, and the idea is to go like that. The easiest way to put this bolt back at its place, to release your tail light, you just unscrew those two bolts and you pull it to yourself, it will just go loose. Now I can do this. Back in. So now we're going to repeat this side. We're not going to film it to make the process quicker. So now we're going to attach this seal. You need to start to click it in from below and work your way up like so. So the conclusion. Is not recommended. Don't buy this, don't try this. It doesn't fit, the holes are wrong, the clips are wrong, everything is wrong. We have worked this out because to have started this already, there was no way to go back. Now, not recommended.